Hey guys, it's Chris here with Investing with Chris, and welcome back to my Wealthsimple Portfolio Trade Challenge, where I try to make massive earnings on swing trades and ETFs. I'll be talking about personal finance and investing as a student. I'll go over my portfolio of $66,700, which has changed quite a bit since my previous video, and go over recent news in the market. Before we dive deep into my portfolio, here's some recent news that has happened in the previous week in the tech market. We had a surge in AMD and Nvidia share prices due to Nvidia resuming construction and manufacturing of their H20 GPU chips to China, which was previously blocked by the United States government. The US government is going to give Nvidia a US grant in order to sell their chips to China. Additionally, we saw the S&P 500 hit all-time highs in the previous week, regardless of the tariffs that happened back in April and the big downturn that it caused. But the tariffs aren't over yet. Trump is planning to put more tariffs on August 1st on their closest allies such as Canada and Mexico and Europe and all over the world. Those are all the major updates that happened in the previous week. And let's get started on the juicy stuff. As you can see here in my portfolio, a lot has changed since my previous video. I believe my previous video I had around $77,000. Right now I'm currently at $67,000. This is purely because I had to take some money out of my account to pay some bills. There are two things certain in this life, and that is taxes and bills. But as you can see here, I am sitting at $66,735.80 or $14,037 or 26.64% all time. As you can see on the monthly, I'm up $3,651 or 5.79%. 3 months, $7,080 in the past 3 months. And as you can see here in my checking account, I have $19.11, which is gaining me 1.75% interest, which is a lot better than the big 5 banks we have here in Canada. Here we have my FHSA. I believe in my previous video, I only had around 16,000. And since then, I've added an additional $8,000 into my FHSA for my yearly contribution. So I am right now currently maxed out at $24,000 as I created this account back in 2023, which gave me 8,000 contribution in that year, 8,000 in 2024, and then 8,000 in 2025. As you can see here, I'm at $25,667.24, or all-time $1,667 or 6.95% all-time. And for my holdings, you already know I only hold one ETF, and that is VFV, an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, and it is one of the best ETFs I recommend for any beginner starting out in their investing career. As you can see here, today's price is $153. I have 167 shares, and I am up $2,204.38 or 9.44%. As you can see here, I have been purchasing VFV as constantly as I can, and I just recently got a dividend on July 7th, which is worth $61.65, which is awesome. Who doesn't love free money? Here we have my non-registered account. Currently it has $33,000.68. All time it's $13,232 or 66.71%. On the daily, we're up $576 or 1.77%. On the weekly, we're up $1,029 or 3.21%. On the monthly, we are $3,387 or 11.41%. The 3 months, $5,814 or 21.33%. Year to date, I'm still a bit down. I'm down $5,766 or 14.85%. On the yearly, I am up $462 or 1.42%. As you can see here, I'm holding 3 investment securities. Right now, I'm currently holding Google, the CDR version of it. And one of the reasons why I'm up $576 today was because it was up 2.76%. Currently have 698 shares of the CDR. All time, I am down $223 or 1.01%. And this was a stock I bought right before all the tariffs and whatnot, which really dragged this portfolio down, which is why I'm still down, even though it is a bit high in terms of its share price. I am holding VFV. No need to explain that further. I am up $460 or 8.12%, and I have 40 shares. I have XEQT. I have 70 shares at today's price at $36, and I am up $958 or 61.31%. This is all the updates I have for my portfolio. This is just a quick rundown, and I hope to give out consistent weekly updates on my portfolio for you guys to see and see my progress and join me in your investing career. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe down below if you did. Please leave a comment if you have a question about my portfolio or just about general investing at all. If you want to join Wealthsimple, there's a link down in the description below where if you use that link, you'll get $25 if you sign up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.